I'm Adya Kumar of class 11D, and as a student of biotechnology, I have decided to take COVID 19 or novel coronavirus as my project topic, and I want to share some basic information on the global pandemic which has resulted in us being locked in our homes for nearly 5 months and has taken lives of lakhs of people across the globe. Coronavirus disease. Introduction. Coronavirus disease COVID 19 novel coronavirus is an infectious disease caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 SARS CoV 2. It was first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, Hubei, China, and has resulted in an ongoing pandemic. The virus is spreading primarily via small droplets from coughing, sneezing, and talking. The droplets are usually not airborne. However, these standing in close proximity may inhale them and become infected. People may also become infected by touching a contaminated surface and then touching their faces. Coronavirus at a glance. First, speciality. Infectious disease. Second, symptoms. Fever, cough, fatigue, shortness of breath, loss of taste or smell, sometimes no symptoms at all. Third, complications: pneumonia, viral sepsis, acute respiratory distress syndrome, kidney failure, cytokine release syndrome. 4. Usually onset 2 to 14 days, typically 5 from infection. Fifth, prevention: hand washing, face covering, quarantine, social distancing. 4. Treatment: symptomatic and supportive. 7. Cause: severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 SARS CoV 2. Special features of structure of coronavirus. Spikes protein. The spikes protein is the major surface protein that is used to bind to a receptor. Complex structure. The structure of coronavirus is much more complex than other viruses we know, and it's more involved in resistance. Third, faster reproduction. The virus has the property to reproduce fast. About 28 million cases are detected around 190 plus countries. Cases overview. Out of the people detected by COVID 19, around 67% of people are between 0 to 35 years of age, and rest are above 50 years. Evolution. As you can see, on 24th April, around 329 cases were in India, and today at 11 September there are around 96,551 cases. About 4.66 million cases have been detected in India, 3.62 million have recovered, and 77,429 cases people are dead. Symptoms of the COVID 19: fever, cough, tiredness. The patient suffer from constant high fever and muscular pain. Chest pain. The patient have constant pain in its chest or feels heavy weight on chest region. Headache. The patient, due to regular fever, also has constant headache. Difficulty in breathing. The patient has a lot of problem breathing properly due to fever, sore throat, and common cold. Recommendations: don'ts. First, avoid contact with outsider. Second, do not cough or sneeze. Third, avoid using public transport. Fourth, do not take self-medication. If sick, always consult a doctor. Fifth, don't touch your face without washing your hands. Do's: wash your hands. Second, cover your face and nose with mask. Third, stay indoors. Fourth, consult a doctor if sick. Fifth, always have a mask, face shield, and a sanitizer when going outside. Pandemic is not a word to use lightly or carelessly. It is a word that, if misused, can cause unreasonable fear or unjustified acceptance that the fight is over, leading to unnecessary suffering and death. By Chairman of World Health Organization (WHO). COVID-19 crisis in pictures. In the first picture, you can see the doctor treating us in this pandemic wearing PPE kit and risking their lives. Second was the picture of labor crowd when many thousands of people collected in front of bus stations and railway stations to return back to their homes as they were stuck in different cities due to lockdown. About the disease. First, seek immediate medication attention if you have serious symptoms. Always call before visiting your doctor or health facility. Second, people with mild symptoms who are otherwise healthy should manage their symptoms at home. Third, on average, it takes 5 to 6 days from when people is infected with the virus for symptoms to show. However, it may take up to 14 days. PM Narendra Modi announced national-wide lockdown for 21 days amid COVID-19, and this is a video about it.
साथियों, पिछले 2 दिनों से देश के अनेक भागों में लॉकडाउन कर दिया गया है। राज्य सरकार के इन प्रयासों को बहुत गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए। हेल्थ सेक्टर के एक्सपर्ट्स और अन्य देशों के अनुभवों को ध्यान में रखते हुए देश आज एक महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय करने जा रहा है। आज रात 12 बजे से पूरे देश में, ध्यान से सुनिए, पूरे देश में आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है। हिंदुस्तान को बचाने के लिए, हिंदुस्तान के हर नागरिक को बचाने के लिए, आपको बचाने के लिए, आपके परिवार को बचाने के लिए आज रात 12 बजे से घरों से बाहर निकलने पर पूरी तरह पाबंदी लगाई जा रही है। देश के हर राज्य को, हर केंद्र शासित प्रदेश को, हर जिले, हर गांव, हर कस्बे, हर गली मोहल्ले को अब लॉकडाउन किया जा रहा है। ये एक तरह से कर्फ्यू ही है। जनता कर्फ्यू से भी कुछ कदम आगे की बात। जनता कर्फ्यू से जरा ज्यादा सख्त। कोरोना महामारी के खिलाफ निर्णायक लड़ाई के लिए ये कदम अब बहुत आवश्यक है। निश्चित तौर पर इन लॉकडाउन की एक आर्थिक कीमत देश को उठानी पड़ेगी, लेकिन एक एक भारतीय के जीवन को बचाना, आपके जीवन को बचाना, आपके परिवार को बचाना, इस समय मेरी, भारत सरकार की, देश की हर राज्य सरकार की, हर स्थानीय निकाय की सबसे बड़ी प्राथमिकता है। और इसलिए मेरी आपसे प्रार्थना है और मैं हाथ जोड़ के प्रार्थना करता हूं कि आप इस समय देश में जहां भी हैं वहीं रहे। अभी के हालात को देखते हुए देश में ये लॉकडाउन 21 दिन का होगा, 3 सप्ताह का होगा। और जब मैंने पिछली बार आपसे बात की थी तब मैंने आपसे कहा था कि मैं आपसे कुछ सप्ताह मांगने के लिए आया हूं। आने वाले 21 दिन हर नागरिक के लिए, हर परिवार के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। हेल्थ एक्सपर्ट्स की माने तो कोरोना वायरस की संक्रमण साइकिल तोड़ने के लिए कम से कम 21 दिन का समय बहुत अहम है। अगर ये 21 दिन नहीं संभले और आपका परिवार 21 साल पीछे चला जाएगा। अगर ये 21 दिन नहीं संभले तो कई परिवार हमेशा हमेशा के लिए तबाह हो जाएंगे। और मैं ये बात एक प्रधानमंत्री के तौर पर नहीं, आपके परिवार के सदस्य के नाते कह रहा हूं। इसलिए बाहर निकलना क्या होता है, ये इन 21 दिनों के लिए भूल जाइए। घर में रहे और एक ही काम करें कि अपने घर में ही रहें।
As a result, the lockdown was done across India on the 25th of March 2020 for a total of 21 days at first, and then it was increased, seeing the peak of coronavirus in India. Due to this, people were stuck in different cities, and only doctors, nurses, cleaners, and police were allowed outside their homes for their jobs to help tackling down coronavirus. Prevention. First, wear a mask. Second, do not sneeze. Third, wash your hands. Fourth, consult a doctor if sick. Fifth, stay away from animals. And sixth, stay away from public places. Treatment. First, connect with others. Talking to people you trust can help. Keep in regular contact with people close to you. Tell them how you are feeling and share any concern. Second, breathe, pause, reflect. Take some slow breaths in through your nose, then slowly breathe out. Third, be kind to your others. Don't expect too much of yourself on different days. Accept these some days you may be more productive than others. Fourth, keep to a healthy routine. Get up and go to bed at similar times every day. Keep up with personal hygiene. Vaccine marathon. Canada, Russia, America, England, Germany, Australia, France, India, and many more major countries across the world are producing vaccines for COVID-19. More than 105 vaccines are in first and second phase of their clinical trial across the globe, and 3 vaccines are being tested and prepared in India itself. Conclusion. Although coronavirus has been increasing, still it is under our control due to government measures, seeing the vast population of India and its relative deaths. Still, there is always a room for improvement, and we still need to take care of ourselves. With the help of coronavirus, like doctors and helpers, we are able to control coronavirus to an extent. Still, it's dangerous as ever. We really hope this comes to an end very soon.